Hello brother and sister. In this video I am going to tell you one of the important NCERT question of class 12. See, this is one of the numerical, and to solve any numerical we need to first read it very carefully, and along with reading we also need to write down what is given to us. See, human nerve fiber produces the magnetic field 10 raised to power minus 10 Tesla. So they are saying that there is a human nerve fiber in our body and it produces a magnetic field of 10 raised to power minus 10 Tesla. Due to the flowing of electron which got free during release of various chemicals like dopamine, adrenaline, etc. So various chemicals are there present in our brain which got released, and during their realization some electrons got free, and due to those electrons there is a magnetic field which is given to us 10 raised to power minus 10 Tesla. Okay. Now next, prove that the perpendicular electric field is 3 times more than the magnetic field produced by near small bar magnets. See, now what they are saying in this question is that we need to prove the perpendicular electric field. Perpendicular electric field of what? Human nerve fiber. It should be 3 times more than the magnetic field produced by a near small bar magnet. So this question must be looking a bit confusing, that they are asking electric field and that is also 3 times more than the magnetic field produced by a near small bar magnet. Okay. Next they are saying take velocity of electron 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So they are saying that the velocity of the electron should be taken equal to the velocity of light. Okay. The charged particle electrons are moving perpendicular to magnetic field. See, by looking at this question, we came to know only one thing, that the magnetic field is given to us 10 raised to power minus 10 Tesla. And the velocity of the electron or charged particle should be taken 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So after reading this question, we should look into this question that what type of the concept is used in this question. See, first they are saying that perpendicular electric field, and here they have also given the information charged particle electrons are moving perpendicular to magnetic field. So given information is that electric field is perpendicular to magnetic field and magnetic field is also perpendicular to velocity of the electron. So all of these three things are mutually perpendicular to each other. See, wherever a charged particle is there which is moving, and it is moving in the presence of magnetic field and electric field is also acting on it, so at that time the concept is used of Lorentz force, which is in chapter 4 of your book. Lorentz force concept will be used. Now since they have given electric field is perpendicular to magnetic field and magnetic field is perpendicular to velocity. So according to this, the condition is, means the case of the Lorentz force says that the magnetic field, force by electric field will be equal to force by magnetic field. Now force due to electric field is what? QE, and force due to magnetic field we know Q V cross B. Since we know that velocity and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, so QBV sine theta. QBV sine theta, and theta is sine 90. Sin 90 will give you value 1. So QE is equal to QVB. We will cut Q. E is equal to V and B. So this is the relation between electric field, velocity and magnetic field. Now see, in the question they are asking, prove that perpendicular electric field is 3 times more than magnetic field produced by near small bar magnet. So let's take out this electric field. We are not seeing this other information. Electric field is given to us, means electric field we need to find out. So we are going to find out this electric field. We will see rest of the information later on. So what is E? See, V is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. And what is magnetic field? 10 raised to power minus 10 Tesla. So what will be the electric field? We are 3 into 10 minus 8 will give you 10 raised to power minus 2. So this is what? This is the electric field. So what it has come? See, electric field is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So we can say that this is the electric field produced by human nerve fiber. And it is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2. It is 3 times the magnetic field of small bar magnet, because the magnetic field of small bar magnet is 10 raised to power minus 2 Tesla. Say, it will be seems to you impossible, but if we are using some tensor quantities, there it is possible. So it is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2, 3 into 10 raised to a meter per second, and this is Tesla. So electric field is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter per second Tesla. So we can say that the magnitude of small bar magnetic field is 1 by 3 times of electric field. So what we conclude from this question is, we conclude from this question that our human body is also producing what? Electric field as well as magnetic field. So if electric field and magnetic field are produced by our body, and if they are perpendicular to each other, that means some amount of radiations will also be emitted, and if some amount of radiations are emitted, that is why human skin is having some glow, because some of the radiations are emitted. So we can say that our human body emit photons. Human body emits photons. Thank you. I hope that you like the video. Please share and subscribe it as much as possible. Please. I'm saying again, please share and subscribe it as much as possible. Thank you.